Confined Space Rescue. Isa sa pinakadelikadong rescue operation at trabaho ng isang bombero. At nangangailangan ng proper and specialized training ang bawat member ng team, including gas reading, self-contained breathing apparatus training, including calculation of working duration and rope rescue techniques. Kaya hindi nyo masasabi na hayahay yung mga bombero dahil sa oras ng emergency, itinataya namin ang aming buhay para sumagip ng ibang buhay.
With this, we want to be high for it as the team is